Kroger.com, how to fix Kroger sign-in problem. Feed.Kroger.com. Troubleshooting sign-in issues with the Kroger app or website can be frustrating, but here are some advanced tips that might help. 1. Verify account information. Ensure that the email address and shopper's card number are correct. The email should be registered in the system, and the card number should be 12 digits long without any additional spacing or symbols. 2. Check for account association. If you receive emails from Kroger but can't log in, it's possible that your email address was provided on your card application but isn't linked to a digital account. In this case, you'll need to create a new digital account. 3. Update personal information. If you're prompted that your shopper's card number has been associated with another account or if there's an issue with the last name and zip code on file, contact Kroger's website support team to update your information. 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, clearing your browser's temporary cache and cookies can resolve sign-in issues. This ensures that you have the most recent version of the web page. 5. Force a full refresh. Try pressing Ctrl plus F5 keys at the same time on your browser to force a full refresh of the site. 6. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Kroger's website support team for further assistance. https://www.kroger.com/hc/help/faq/account/troubleshooting. Remember, if you suspect any misuse of your account or if you're unable to resolve the issue through these steps, it's best to contact Kroger's customer service directly for security reasons.